Hello everybody! Today, let's drawing and coloring Robocar Poli.
Here we go! Ready, set, have you met Robocar Poli? Always there, anywhere, he's here to help you and me. With his dream rescue team, Robocar Poli. Racing by, flying high, they're all as brave as can be. Poli, he's a hero through and through. Roy, he is brave and strong and true. Amber, she is smart and friendly too. Ellie, he's your buddy way up high in the sky. When you're in need, it's guaranteed. Robocar Poli is on the way.
Let's start coloring.
Oh, it's amazing to see.
Blue,
He's your friend until the end. Robocar Poli, without a doubt, shout it out. Robocar Poli. It's a great, big, wonderful world, but scary things can happen, and where and when they do, Roy will be there for you. When we need him, he's always around to keep us smart, safe, and sound. When the flames and dangers are near, I know that there's no need to fear. Roy will appear. We are learning fire safety from a super awesome teacher. He's strong and he's courageous, and he'll teach us all to be safer. Together we are learning what to do if something's burning. We are learning fire safety. Roy wants us to be safe as we can be.
red,
Was it this way or was it that way? I don't know which way to go. Vroom, 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 they're coming this way. Zoom, zoom, they're passing me by. If I should
yellow,
cross this road, what's on the other side? So many, many things
black,
that we want to know.